In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Devotional Bible app. So let me first uninstall it and then show you the process. To get the right Devotional Bible app, you need to go to Google Play Store on your smartphone, or if you're on iPhone, go to App Store app. If you tap on it and open, now here look for this search bar. If you don't see a search bar here, then you should see a search icon down below. Tap on it to activate search and just search for your app by name. And here we have Devotional Bible app. And look at that, we have various Bibles, but we are interested in Devotional Bible app. Now, to know that you have the right app, tap on it first and make sure it is from Simplify Swift Apps. This is the company that produced this app, and at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.8 with over 57,000 reviews. Currently, this app has been downloaded over 1 million times. Now, to get this app, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Devotional Bible app and then install it on your phone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open from here to start using the Devotional Bible app, and this is the opening logo. So that's how you can install the right Devotional Bible app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.